know your seedlings look strong and healthy, but if you put them in the garden today, there is a 90% chance that they will die or get stunted by tomorrow. It's called transplant shock, also known as sun scald, and is one of the main reasons why gardeners lose months of hard work in just a single day. Today I'm going to show you my exact 7-day hardening off routine so your tomatoes can survive the move and thrive. But before we get into the schedule, I want you to know why we do this. That way you don't get tempted to skip this step. Our indoor plants have a thin cuticle, which is a thin waxy layer on the leaf. And even if you have the most expensive grow lights, it does not compare to the UV rays that the sun gives us. So that being said, if we bring the indoor plants directly into the garden, the sun will burn them. It will cause them to go white, crispy, and potentially die or get stunted. And then on top of the sun, there is the wind. Even a 5-mile-per-hour wind can just snap and have your little seedling. So how do we help our seedlings adapt to the garden? We're gonna do the hardening off dance. So what is the hardening dance? We're gonna be moving our plants in and out of the house every day for a week. Okay, so let's talk about the schedule. On day 1 and 2, place your seedlings in a shaded spot, protected from the wind. Now don't let the sun touch them. Make sure that it's not windy and it's not below 50. That is the #1 rule. So you always want to make sure that the weather is good for them. So now for day 3 and 4, you're gonna move them to a spot that gets morning sun for 2 hours. After the 2 hours, you're gonna move them to a shaded spot for another 2 hours. So they're gonna be out for a total of 4 hours. For day 5 and 6, we're gonna test them. We're gonna give them a total of 6 hours outside. Now 1 to 2 hours need to be direct afternoon sun. By now, you might notice that the stems are looking a little bit purple and the leaves are looking darker green, and that is exactly what we want. On day 7, you can leave them outside all day in the spot that you want to plant them. As long as the temperatures are not dropping below 50, you can leave them out overnight. After the 7 days, if you don't have time to plant them, it's okay. You can leave them in their planting spot. Just keep an eye on them because the sun is gonna dry them out very quickly. So water as they need to. And my #1 tip is check the weather. Plan your 7 days. That way there's no rain, there's no wind during the 7 days. But if the weather changes and there's rain coming, just skip the day. And after the weather is better, just keep going with your schedule. And I think that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy the video and find it helpful. See you next time. Bye.